Waistcoat, gizmo, hat, backpack. To the time of Argentinosaurus. Oh, I've made it! I've travelled back in time 95 million years to the time of Argentinosaurus. Whoa, the ground's all shaky. I hope I haven't landed in the middle of an earthquake. Whoop! It's not an earthquake. It's an Argentinosaurus quake! Whoa! Look at the size of her! She's so tall, she's almost scraping her head on the sky. There's a whole parade of Argentinosaurus here. They're immense! There must be some eggs nearby. Excuse me? Where do you lay your eggs? Excuse me? Yes! There are thousands of seabirds here, including storm petrels. Can't see where a storm petrel could safely nest, though. All I can see is rock, rock, and more rock. Do you ever get the feeling you're being watched? It's a short-eared owl. They like to eat storm petrels. And it's definitely got its eye on something. Uh-oh. It's me. Time to get out of here. Run! I need to hide. I should be safe in here. The owl is too large to fit in this tunnel. Oh. Huh? What's this? It's an egg, if I'm not mistaken. Yes! It's a storm petrel egg. Oh. And look, here comes the mum. Hello. So this is where they lay their eggs, in tunnels in the rock. And that's why Mr. Hammond couldn't find the nest. Hi, Jen. I found out where the storm petrels here on Galapagos are nesting, in underground tunnels in the rock. Look.
Wow.
It's the perfect place for them to keep their eggs safe, away from the wind and from predators too.
That's fantastic, Andy. Do you want me to let Mr. Hammond know?
Yes, please.
And I've used the Safari Mobile's solar panels to recharge its batteries. I'm sending it to your location now.
Brilliant. Thanks, Jen. You're a star. Oh, no. That owl is still hanging around outside. How am I going to get out? Wait a minute. The storm petrel came from that direction. Maybe there's another way out. Thanks for showing me where you lay your egg. See you later. Yes, I found a back door, and the owl hasn't noticed, which means Mum can still get in and out safely to look after her egg. And I can get back to normal size. See you later, short-eared owl. It looks like the right shape. What? Wait a second. It's a pterosaur! And he's heading this way. That gives me an idea. Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! I can see for miles up here. Look! A whole herd of Stegosaurus! I'd recognise those giant backplates anywhere. Head over there, pterosaur. There are Camptosaurus down there too, so they do live alongside each other. Next stop, please. Thanks for the lift. Now, all I need to do is wait for a Camptosaurus to call out, and I can record it on my gizmo. Whoa! Oh, careful! I wouldn't want to get hit with that spiky thagomizer. I wonder which one will call first. Maybe not this one. He's too busy eating. Oh, he's up. He's seen something. Oh no, it's that Allosaurus. And he still looks hungry. Quick, warn the herd. Yes, he's giving an alarm to the rest of the herd. I need to record this. Come on. Excuse me, have any of you seen some baby alligators around here? I guess not. I wonder where they're off to. Wow, there are thousands of pelicans on that island. Maybe there are some baby alligators too. Right, time to land. Well, I don't want to startle anyone. I know. Engaging shrink mode. Excuse me, coming through. This must be where Mr. Hammond made his pelican recording. Just listen to that noise. Oh. Well, I'd love to stay here longer, but I've got a baby alligator to find and record. I think I'll head out onto the Mississippi. All I need is my inflatable dinghy. Come on. But I can't see any alligators around here. Whoa. Whoa. What's going on? I'm speeding up. Oh, it's getting a bit choppy. Hold on. Oh, 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 oh. There's more pelicans. And lots of fish too. This is turning into a feeding frenzy, and I'm stuck in the middle. Help! Let me out! The pelican's large throat pouches and pointy beaks are perfect for snapping up fish. I just hope that one doesn't poke a hole in my... Watch out below! Oh. Well, that's one way of getting down the Mississippi.
Hello, Andy. I fixed Mr. Hammer's cassette player and put a blank tape in it. I'll take it back to the jungle den for you.
Thanks, Jen. You truly are. Amazing.
Oh, is everything okay?
I'm fine, thanks, Jen. But it looks like I'm gonna need my puncture repair kit. Maybe if I follow them, they'll lead me to the nest of a Gigantoraptor. And hopefully, I can get my feather. Hey, wait for me! I hope these Oviraptors know where they're going, because I certainly don't. There doesn't seem to be any Gigantoraptor anywhere. Uh-oh. It's an Electrosaurus, a cousin of Tyrannosaurus Rex, who loved nothing more than a delicious, meaty meal. Oh, thankfully it didn't notice me. Oh, wait for me! If you thought the Electrosaurus was big, take a look at what we've just found. It's a mother Gigantoraptor. And she's on her nest. Oh, she's not too happy about the Oviraptors being here. Oh, look at the size of her. And her feathers. Well, they look just like the one that Mrs. Pickles made. Whoa, easy now, Gigantoraptor. I'm not after your eggs. I'm just after a stray feather. Never get too close to a mum looking after her eggs. She can get very angry.
I hope this works. To the size of a flamingo. Ah, that's better. Time to get wet. Oh. Ah, there's plenty of flamingos here. And it's not too deep either, which makes it the perfect place for me to do my painting. Easel. Canvas. Paintbrush and palette. And paint. Pink. So that's where it got to. Ready. Excuse me. Would you mind standing still for a second? They're performing a courtship dance. This is how flamingos find their perfect partner. Dances like these can go on all day long, so I'm just going to have to try and paint them as they pass. Finished. Hopefully Mr. Hammond won't notice the difference. Right, I'll let this lot finish their dance while I pack this away. Okay, now I need to get back to Safari World. Jen.
Hi, Andy. Have you finished the painting?
Yep, all done.
Great. I'll send the Safari Mobile to pick you up.
Thanks, Jen. And I need to get back to normal size. Hurry up! Woo, that was close. See you later, flamingos! Time to head back! This forest goes on for miles and miles. How am I going to search it all for Eleptictidium? The only thing I've seen so far are these dragonflies. Hang on a minute. That gives me a good idea. To the size of a dragonfly. Right, now to hitch a lift. Excuse me. Giddy up! Come on! Wow! Thanks for the ride. Have a safe trip, Dragonfly. Oh. Well, I've searched the whole forest now for a leptictidian, and I can't find one anywhere. Maybe they're just not around. Oh. Oh. Put me down. Ah. I think she finally realised that I'm not dinner. Thanks for that. Although, just to be sure, I might make myself a bit bigger. Not too big, though. I don't want to scare her off. Size of a leptictidium. There, that's better. Now I can follow her without being eaten. Now, if I were a wood duck, where would I be? There's something moving around over there in the water. Oh, it's okay. It's just a rat snake. A rat snake? Oh. I better get out of here. I'll just head between these two logs. Those aren't logs. They're alligators! Quick! Row, Andy! Oh! Oh! Maybe I'll be safe on dry land. Oh, I can hide in there. Oh, I better put this away first. Quick! Phew, I made it. Oh, the alligator won't follow me in here. This burrow's too small. What was that? Oh, I can't go back that way. Let's just hope that whatever's down there can help me. I can definitely hear something, and it sounds like it's coming from in there. It's a star-nosed mole. Oh. You can see where it gets its name from. Look at that fantastic nose. Star-nosed moles have bad eyesight, so they use those funny-looking appendages to feel their way around instead. It's kind of like having an extra pair of hands on your face. Where's he off to? Come on, let's follow him. It's another way out. Now I can carry on my search to find the wood ducks without an alligator in tow. See you later, star-nosed mole. The clock! He's got my clock! Give that back! Oh well, I guess I just have to swim out to it. Whoa. On second thoughts, maybe swimming to it's not a good idea. What am I going to do? My backpack. It's always full of useful things. Right. Sandpaper. Miniature hairbrush. Fast-acting glue? How's all this going to help me? Maybe if I'm quiet, I can sneak up and... Whoa! Oh, no. Whatever's in the water has got lots of sharp teeth, making me very jumpy. Hang on. Reeds, fast-acting glue, and jumpy. Hey presto, one prehistoric pole vault. I just hope this glue holds. Let's give it a go. Time to head back! Hey! Oh, there she is. Stop! The babies are falling behind. Thanks, Mum. Come on, you lot. Now's your chance to catch up. Come on. That's it. Whew. Almost there. You're doing great. There we go. All safe. Well done, Mum. Oh, and speaking of mums, there are some others here too, which means there must be... Yes! A nest! And with any luck, there'll be an eggshell there. Come on. This is perfect. Caiman bury their eggs to keep them safe and warm. Then when they hatch, the babies make their way to the surface. Oh, like those guys. Think they must be calling for their mother. And here she comes. Right, I better get out of the way. Oh, don't mind me. I wonder what she's up to. Oh, I see. She's very gently picking up the baby in her mouth. It might look scary, but actually, she's being really careful with them. Oh, she's taking them down to the lake. Ah, they'll be nice and safe there. Hang on. Yes, it's an empty eggshell. Exactly what I need. That's Jen calling.
Andy, have you found a new eggshell yet?
Yes, Jen. I'm standing right next to one.
That's great news, but you better hurry back to Safari World. Mr. Hammond is on his way to the jungle den.
Okay, Jen, I'm on my way. But first, back to normal size. Ooh, mustn't forget this. See you later, Cayman. Whew, what a ride. Oh. Wow, there's a great view from up here. Hang on. Flamingos! Yes! Now I just need to paint them. It'll take me all day to get down there when I'm this size. I just hope my gizmo's working. Back to normal size. Yes! No, 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 no! I'm enormous! Wait a minute. At this size, I'll be able to walk to the lake in no time at all. Great! Right, steady as I go. Great! That was quick. It's Jen.
Hi, Andy. Have you found the flamingos yet?
Yes. I'm having a few problems with my gizmo, though.
Let me try turning it off and on again.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Andy's Amazing Adventures. There's lots to see and so many amazing creatures to meet along the way. So don't forget to hit subscribe. Come on, let's go.